It may feel like it fell apart, pieces scattered, heavy heart, but every ending clears the ground for something new to now be found. You are not what broke away, you are what's still here today, standing in the space between what was and what can be. You can rebuild, you can rise, see a future in your eyes. Every piece can find its place at your own pace. You are stronger than before, there is something worth this more. Step by step you will create a better place. From the dust, from what remains, you can shape a life again. Every choice you make right now changes what you will allow. What was lost is not